welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will gonna unbox my Christmas present from my husband, and it's a GoPro HERO8 Black. So I will invite my guest for today's video, and it will be my husband. So he will show you, and he will be the one to unbox that GoPro.
Hello everyone, and thank you to my wife to invite it to a channel. She asked me to introduce her new Hero Pro 8. So we'll try to open that one and go piece by piece. It's a little better than Hero 7. It's a little better video, more stabilized. And in this one there's also 12 megapixel and 4K video, slow-mo, and play smooth, and many other things. It's the best thing on the market right now. And if you buy it in the Philippines, it's about the same price if you buy it in Denmark. But if you buy it in Denmark, you get a lot of things included in this one also. We'll try to open it up. Put it on the floor. Should be in a lot of other things included with the same price. I buy this in Denmark, so see here. There's a stick. In fact, I don't know how to open that one, but yeah. So that's it. You can. There's a little foot for that one. There's a headband, also a headband. You can put it to your head, and you can make videos on your forehead. And then we have a holder, extra battery. I think the one battery is for the camera, and there's one extra. Then there's also a memory card included in that one, a wire, and instruction book. Let's see about this one. Smart little one. Now there's no battery.